today I'm super excited for the giganotasaurus is here from Jurassic World Dominion. Hello. So the tail moves and his arms move. Boom, 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 boom. Then this part of it moves. And his mouth moves. Now, let's get it out of the box. We got it out. So, the stuff that it does, whoa. His mouth opens. If you hit the bottom button, see that right there? If you hit that button, he opens his mouth. And if you press this button right here, he does that same thing that I just showed you earlier. Ooh. He does this. But if you press both buttons, it goes like this. Right? That's hard to tell. Okay, I'm gonna let my brother hold this. Tail moves. Bum-be-dum, be-dum. His arms move like I showed you. His head. And this is the joint that it does. I cannot stop doing this. It's so fast. And here's the scan code. Scan it if you want. Okay. And then, let's see if his feet move. Oh, it does move. This is actually real cool. I thought it was going to be smaller than this. I thought it was going to be like this big. But it's actually a giganotasaurus, so it's this big. Crazy. Okay. Inside his mouth, he has green. I don't really like that there. I wish it was pink like the other body. The teeth is real good, and they're tiny. They did not paint the fingernail. They did not paint this claw, but they did paint this. And again. So we start from here. I see that there's like this stuff here. And then I wish they painted this black. So it goes all the way down here. Then this big spine, like the Spinosaurus, where the button is. This scan code. I wish they painted that black. And this black, and this black, and this black, and this black. All the black stripes are good. Now let's comparison with the T-Rex. So it looks like the Giganotasaurus is bigger. This is real cool. The eyes are so good. I don't think you can see it. It's a little blurry. But still, maybe it's the camera's smothered. Nope. But still. Well, this T-Rex, I haven't done an unboxing for it, but it does this. It's so loud. This T-Rex is louder than this. And look how it's compared. It is so loud. It can
control its voice, the T-Rex.
Now let's test out how it chomps the
I
dinosaur.
have a mini-me here.
And if you put it there, open its mouth, and
You pick it up.
And then I'm gonna try to open this one. It's just gonna fall out. Let me try that again. So I'm gonna get it this right here. And then open his mouth.
Try to sit up. Wait. Oh my God. He has such a big mouth.
And then you could do this. And he wins. Let's try one more small dinosaur. And we got a tiny stegosaurus.
Let's go. Check it out.
Tiny. Look how tiny it is compared to this. Oh, sorry.
It is so tiny.
Now let's put it right here.
Look at its
Jameson.
foot.
And Jameson can work. So get ready for this amazing thing to happen. He's gonna open his mouth.
Wow. It is so bigger. Look at his mouth. Oh.
It looks like you can't even see it no more. And
It's, but look at on the other side. It can't even get out. He chomped so big. And he wins. Look at how giant it is to its foot. It's so giant. You can even step on it.
okay, that's all for this video.
Goodbye.
Bye. Wait, the spikes are so cool. I'll see you on more dinosaur toy videos or different toy videos. Goodbye.